Street up, I think is what it is. If you're in that area, definitely keep Hampton. If you're going to be south of Draper, on the east side of Draper, you need to be in your shelter. This thing is not light, it's not letting up. It actually looks like it's decreased a little bit. We've lost, I think, a lot of the debris, so it kind of changed the shape of it. It gave it more of a barrel shape and not as much of a structure. So you can actually see the shape of the tornado now, because the only thing that it's got to rip up right now is trees. We're not getting all the construction debris that we had earlier that actually appears to give it a wider base than it is. But it's continuing to rip. It's kind of got a big, like a truck down, and then it kind of has a little depot right there, tracking straight for 149th Street in the southwest side of Draper Lake, right towards the water treatment plant at this time. And it's really fizzling out as we're seeing. I'm going to do another turn here. I'm getting kind of far away. But it looks like it's roping out a little bit. And this is over like 149th Street and maybe just the east side of Air Depot Road. There it is. It's gone.